What is up, everyone? This is Mr. Couponer. I am here with two Family Dollar scenarios for today, Saturday. First, I'd like to welcome all the new subscribers. If you're not subscribed, please hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any good deals that are posted. Also, make sure you follow me on IG, Instagram at Mr. Couponer. I will include the link in the description below so that way it will take you directly over to my page. All right, so let's get into it with the first scenario. You will be getting Charmin toilet paper, 12 count, which is $4.95. There's a $1 smart coupon. You would get the Scott paper towels, the 6 big rolls. They're $5. There's a $1.50 smart coupon. The Game Flings 14 count is $3.95. There's a $2 smart coupon. You will get the Ajax or Palmolive 52 ounce. It's $2.75 with a $1 smart coupon. You will get the Tide Liquid 37 or 40 ounce, which is $4.95, or the Tide Pods 12 to 16 count. If you could get a 16 count, I would recommend you get that because you get more bang for your buck. There's a $3 smart coupon. Then you would get the Snuggle fabric softener 48.6 through 50 ounce, which is $3.95. There's a $1 smart coupon. That would make your subtotal $25.55, and then the following digitals will come off, making your subtotal $11.05. Savings of $14.50, 6 items at $1.84. All right, second scenario. Again, it would be the Charmin toilet paper with a $1 smart coupon, Scott paper towel, $1.50 smart coupon, Game Fling 14 count, $2 smart coupon, Ajax or Palmolive 52 ounce, $1 smart coupon, Tide Liquid 37 to 40 ounce, $3 smart coupon. And then you would get, there's a BOGO coupon for Airwick starter kits where you buy one and get one free up to a $3 value. So you'll grab 2 of those, making them $6. Make sure you clip the $3 smart BOGO smart coupon, and then make sure you also clip the 5 off 25 smart coupon. That would make your subtotal $27.60. The 5 off 25 will come off, making it $22.60. The $1 for the Charmin will come off, making it $21.60. The $1.50 for the Scott, making it $20.10. $2 for the Flea, making it $18.10. $1 for the Ajax or Palmolive, making it $17.10. $3 off of the Tide, making it $14.10. And the $3 off of Airwick BOGO will make it $11.10. Savings of $16.50, 7 items at only $1.58, y'all. So it's pretty much like you buying the Charmin and Scott at full price plus tax, because that comes to $9.95. And then if you want to look at it that way, you get in you're getting the Charmin and Scott, you're paying those two full price, and then you're getting the Game, Ajax, Tide, and the 2 Airwicks. If you want to look at it that way, you're getting them free. So it's all about how you look at the scenario, not necessarily about how much you're spending or how much you're saving. It's about what are you getting in that particular scenario. Like, what are you paying for? Are you getting toilet paper that normally costs you $7 and you paying $1.58 for it? Are you getting name brand paper towels and you paying $1.58 for it? You're not getting the off brand. Nothing wrong with off brand. I use off brand too, but I mean, if you can go ahead and, you know, save money while getting the name brand items, then that would be the best route to go. Again, this is Mr. Couponer with 2 5 off 25 scenarios. Yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video. Thank y'all again for watching. Have a good one.